We calculated the Laspeyres method. Okay, next they have asked us to calculate Fisher index number. So what is the formula to calculate Fisher index? So B, Fisher index number. Okay, what is the formula? So again it is P01 of Fisher. Okay, price index of Fisher is equal to square root of summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. This is a formula to calculate Fisher index number. Now what is the value? Okay, we have already calculated. We will just see the value and write summation P1 Q0. Okay, so we have 975. So here it is, so 975 divided by summation P0 Q0 is 872 into P1 Q1 is 1210 divided by, we have summation P0 Q1 as 1102. So we have to take the square root into 100. Okay, now we have to calculate. So again we will get 975 divided by 872, we'll get 1.1. Okay, we'll make it as 2 into 1210 divided by 1102, we'll get 1.09 or 98, whatever, in square root of 100. Okay, so 1.12 into 1.09. Okay, divide square root of it, will get 1.104 into 100. So when you make into 100, you will get 110.4. So this is the value of Fisher index number. So like this you have to calculate Fisher index number. So when you see here, we calculated Laspeyres. Okay, we calculated Laspeyres. In Fisher index, we calculated the value of Fisher index. Now you also show that how Fisher index satisfies TRT and FRT. So third one is, we have to see or make a test of TRT and FRT. Okay, FRT. So first we will take time reversal test, TRT. Okay, first we will write the formula, that is price of base and current year into price of current and base year. When the time of base and current year is interchanged, it should give you the value as 1. So we know the value of P01. Okay, and we have to just reverse the time of the base and the current year. So how we have to write it? So when we take P01, what is the formula? We have already written here, same thing. Okay, so we'll take it as TRT is equal to, make a bigger square root. First we will write this part. Okay, summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. Okay, this is of Fisher. Again we have to reverse the base as current and current as base. So into summation, instead of 1 we will make it as 0, Q instead of 0 we'll make it as 1, divided by summation P1 Q1 into summation P0 Q0 divided by summation P1 Q0. This is the formula for time reversal test. So this answer should give you the value of 1. So now we will write its values. Okay, so if you see here, summation P1 Q0, what is the value? It is 972 divided by P0 Q0, what is the value? 872 into P1 Q1, we have 1210 divided by P0Q1 will be 1102 into, now again we have to write summation P0Q1. Where is P0? So here it is. So it is 1102 divided by P1Q1. Where is it? 1210 into P0Q0 will be 892 divided by P1Q0 will be 972. Okay, now we will find the value. This is same as here, okay, this value. So we can directly write it as here 1.12, okay, and into 1.09 into, okay, we'll calculate this 1102 divided by 1210 will get 0.910. So we'll make it as 0.91 into 892 divided by 972, 0.917. So we'll make it as 0.92. Okay, and we have to take the final square root. So how it will be the answer? 1.12 into 1.09 into 0.91 into 0.92. Okay, we'll get 1.0, and we have the square root, so square root of it will be 1.01. that is nothing but, or that is equal to 1. So what we have to write here? TRT satisfies Fisher-Price index number. Okay, TRT satisfies Fisher-Price index number.